Good morning, class, and welcome to our English 102 online summer course. My name is Dr. Ryan Winnett, and I will be your instructor over the next several weeks. This first video is meant to introduce students to the basics of our online course. In this video, I'll be walking you through the material on the home screen of our D2L page, the syllabus, as well as where you can find the textbooks for the course. This is our home screen. As all of you know by now, announcements will appear on this home screen. Importantly, for our online class, you'll also see a calendar on the right-hand side of the home screen. Our course is organized around due dates that will fall on Wednesdays, Fridays, and Sundays. As you can see in our calendar, the first due date, or DD, the first due date will fall this Wednesday, May 20th, 11:59 p.m. Arizona time. The next due date will be Friday, May 22nd, and the third will be Sunday, May 24th. This pattern will repeat throughout the course, so you can always expect to have due dates on Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday. And to help you organize your time, this calendar is available on the home screen. In addition to the announcements and the calendar, you can also find access to one of our textbooks, Writer's Help 2.0, under the Macmillan Course Tools widget, which is located directly below the calendar. Writer's Help 2.0 is right here. To access the content of the course, you'll click the Content tab. This tab has a table of contents and, as you can see, quite a bit of information. For those students who are eager to begin immediately, you're welcome to click Start Here, due date number 1. This will take you to the first assignments that will be due on Wednesday for this course. You can see that most of these first assignments are about getting to know each other. You have to post something about yourself, there's a survey, and if you scroll down, you can see that there are a total of 6 homework assignments that will be due by Wednesday. For those students who want to gain more information about the course, I encourage you to take a look at the syllabus as well as the assignment sheets for the major projects. As you can see, there are 3 major projects in this course. Students will be writing an annotated bibliography, which involves substantial research. They will then be making a digital poster, not portfolio. And then they will be completing a portfolio and reflection for their final assignment. Under course materials, you'll be able to find our second textbook, The Student's Guide to First Year Writing, as well as information about eLive Review and the link to eLive Review. eLive Review is the software that we'll be using for what we call peer review, reading and making helpful comments on other students' essays. And that is a very quick introduction to our course. In the next few days, I will be posting additional videos about how to, for instance, use other aspects of this website. But for now, I encourage you to explore and feel free to reach out to me via email if you have any questions. Thank you so much and welcome.